We are doing an unboxing of some wireless audio sound tower, whatever you want to call it.
Are you building it, Daddy?
I am opening it, and we're going to go from there. This ain't got no edit, people, either. We're not into that fancy stuff. This is 100% realness. Make sure we close that. Woohoo, America! We got a bag full of components.
I'm gonna be super excited.
Daddy is super excited.
Oh, shit. Part of my language, Americans.
Americans. Those are huge.
I think this is the bottom.
Daddy, you got big muscles.
Here we go, people.
Ooh.
Yeah!
That's a sexy ass speaker.
Those are gonna match my TV nice and pretty, huh? Sleek. Nice little components in the back. I don't know what this stuff is, but we'll figure it out maybe in the next video if I feel like it. But as of right now, it's just an unboxing. Wow, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Just saying they weigh a lot.
Daddy, you got big muscles.
Ugh! Ugh, jeez. Ooh.
He said, "Oh, what?"
I've been doing a little bit of research on these, not much. But
Mommy.
as far as I know, they sound great. I just wanted something simple. So there's the unboxing for you guys. That's what they look like.
I can say what.
There you go.